I hope this video is finding you safe and healthy. Today we're going to practice some ukulele fingerstyle in a couple of different patterns, and we're going to use the song My Paddle's Keen and Bright to do this. I chose this song because it's only one chord, so all you have to do with your left hand is hold the shape, and your right hand will be doing all the work. This is a great technique for giving your songs a little bit more of a forward motion, to have more things happening within the beat rather than just strumming over and over and over. It's also great for performing a quieter song. If you're playing on a small soprano or a consort or a tenor-sized ukulele, your A minor chord is going to look like this. You're going to have your second finger down on the second fret of the G string, and it's going to sound like this. If you're playing a baritone ukulele, you're going to have your second finger down on the second fret of the D string, third finger down, second fret of the G string, and first finger down on the first fret of the B string. I'm going to be using my tenor ukulele for this video just because it'll be probably more common that people will be using that one. I'm going to just use my thumb to go across all four strings at once for every 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, here's the song. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Before we get started on playing, let's establish a common language of what our fingers are. This is your thumb, index finger, middle, and ring finger. You're not going to use your pinky finger in this situation. We're going to keep our wrist mostly in the same place. We're going to keep it hovering over the strings. Your thumb generally is going to be living on the top string, and then index finger, middle, and ring finger. Your thumb is going to go in a downward motion, just barely pulling the string down. Your other 3 fingers are going to go in an upward motion. So let's try that. We'll go 1 thumb, 2 index, 3 middle, 4 ring. We'll do 1 string at a time, starting with thumb. 1, 2, ready, go. So next thing we're going to practice is we are going to go 1 string at a time instead of doing all 4 at once. So it's going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we start again with thumb. 1, 2, ready, go. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Now we're going to isolate our motion to just our thumb and our index finger, and we're going to go twice as fast. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies, dip, dip, and swing. Next we're going to add our middle finger, our third finger, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, ready, here's the song. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sing along. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Now we're gonna have our thumb, index finger working on their own, and we're gonna have our middle and ring fingers work as a team. So let's try that slowly together first. We're gonna go thumb, index, ring and middle, thumb, index, ring and middle. One, 1, 2, ready, go. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Now we're going to take it twice as fast. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. The last variation in this journey is we're just gonna add that index finger one more time. So it's gonna go thumb, index, ring and middle, index, thumb, index, ring and middle. So it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 And 1, 2, ready, go. My paddle's keen and bright, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. Dip, dip, and swing her back, flashing with silver, swift as the wild goose flies. Dip, dip, and swing. You might notice that I'm starting all of my patterns with the thumb. That's because it's the lowest note. Usually in music, you're gonna start a pattern with the lowest note, but not always. You don't have to do it this way. If you want to give yourself a little variation, you can do it the opposite. You can go, or you can go, really this is just a starting place for you if you're brand new to fingerstyle. So I hope you found this video helpful. Maybe you learned a new song. Please let me know in the comments if you did and what else you would like to learn from me. I'm constantly trying to figure out new stuff to post and new things to teach. So please let me know what you would like to see. Thank you to my patrons who support the work I do. If you are interested in becoming a patron, please check out the link in the description of this video. And until next time, stay mindful, stay musical, and stay out of trouble.